We only have 60 miles left, so let's see.
Yep.
Yes!
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Saran wrap.
Why?
Oh, aluminum wrap.
Wait, why?
We're gonna try something.
Oh?
We're gonna do the cook an egg on your Ferrari challenge.
Oh?
So we got a we got a hockey tournament this weekend in Houston. We have a 3.5 hour drive. So what we're gonna try to see is if we can hard boil an egg in the Ferrari. So when we stop for fuel, we'll pull one out, see what happens. That'll be about halfway. And then the second one we'll pull when we actually get there. Now the thing is, I can't guarantee that these eggs are gonna stay in place. But if they do, it'll be interesting to see if we can cook them. Here's number 2.
Here's number 2.
Hard boiling eggs in your Ferrari challenge.
Right.
Like defrosting hot dogs in a Shelby Mustang GT
500 Cobra
499 wasn't fun enough.
Right. Or cooking breakfast on
We
your
talk
Tuesday.
shit about our own cars too, so you guys don't need to get all sensitive. You have Mustang 4 GT owners out there.
Right.
Non-GTO V6 owners. I've owned Mustangs too.
So calm down.
So calm down. Try to drive, you know, don't be an asshole, because I don't want to lose my eggs.
There it is.
Now the Ferrari has labels.
It should stay there. The Ferrari has huevos now.
Right.
Huevos rancheros. Alright, let's cook some eggs.
Oh, jeez. Rest up. Aha.
We had to stop.
Yes.
She's gotta pee. I gotta pee. You gotta pee?
I'm good.
He's good.
He's good. You gotta pee?
I'm good. I'm
He's good.
I
You gotta pee?
piss. My back's killing me.
Dude, let's check on these eggs, bro.
They're still there. I don't think we should touch them right now.
Definitely don't touch them.
I
We
would
have
not
gloves?
touch them.
Let them cook.
We need gloves.
Yes.
What's up, bro?
I think it's gonna cook.
Egg
Look
test?
how hot it is. I think it's gonna cook. Feel it.
Ow!
Right. These will definitely be done by the time we get there.
Oh yeah. Is it solid?
I don't know yet, but feel it. It should cook.
Oh yeah.
So honestly, if this happens, next time we go on a long trip, we're gonna throw steaks on, we're gonna throw chicken on, we're gonna throw eggs, whatever. It's great, love it. Awesome.
We're not gonna crack one open, see if it cooked?
Okay, fine, we can. Because we only have 60 miles left, so let's see.
Yep.
Yes!
No way. They cooked them.
Almost.
Almost.
It's a little burnt.
It's almost there. We're right.
Yeah, that's my part. Dude, we can definitely eat that.
Oh yeah.
It's almost there, dude.
I say like 30
60
more minutes.
Like
and
60 more miles?
No, I already broke that one. I don't want that all over the intake manifold.
So this one,
Great. So we got one egg left, and we'll open it up as soon as we get to our spot.
yes.
Who wants to eat it? I'm not eating that before hockey.
Nah, Wade got it.
I got you.
Nick, yeah, Nick.
I'll eat it too.
In the first half of the period, Nick's gonna be running to the bathroom.
I got a pistol.
Close that. Keep that shit warm. That's Thomas.
Oh.
That's Miles.
Hi.
That's Evan.
Hi.
What's up?
Welcome, you're famous now. Okay, all right, what are we doing?
He's playing on my line.
Oh.
He's playing a net.
Oh.
We expect a goal out of you tonight.
We need pucks deep.
Just one.
We need pucks deep.
Or at least an assist. Pucks deep, pucks in the net.
Yeah.
And win some fucking hockey
No,
games.
fuck that. Win a tournament.
Win the tournament hockey game, yeah.
Alright, let's
check this egg, dude.
Yeah, when the tournament.
Hey, look.
That's right.
Paul, I cooked an egg for you.
What's up? What'd you do?
I cooked an egg for you.
Uh-oh.
I'm not even kidding. See?
Or you should make the worst performer of the game tonight.
No, we're eating this right now.
We should save it. No, Nick said he's gonna eat it.
Right, we have you on camera saying that.
Okay, my wife said that there's a trick to checking this. Go ahead.
You smack the outside.
She says spin it.
It's probably cooked.
Yeah, should we cook?
It spins.
Yep.
Really?
Yeah, it's like very slow and wobbly.
Yeah.
And they ruined the perfect egg because there were two of them. They wanted to check it. I'm like,
Well, we had to check it halfway, Maria, jeez.
Maria, your trick sucks.
no, I think your car sucks.
It's not mine, it's his.
Damn.
It's cooked. Sort
It's
of.
cooked, kind of.
You gotta eat it, bro.
See it. If it's cooked all the way. Oh, that's not cooked. It's a raw
It's
egg.
like, dude, no, it's not raw. It's like,
I'd rather chug a raw egg.
no, what are you
It's better
talking
than raw.
about? This is like sunny side up with the fucking yolk that, like, you know.
It's over easy.
So almost. We almost cooked an egg.
Right.
We almost cooked an egg on the Ferrari.
We also didn't drive for 3 hours straight either.
Right. So experiment failed, or
It's pretty successful,
pretty
I think.
successful. So we definitely can't cook chicken.
Right,
We almost did.
right.
Dad.
Don't make a mess of it.
Oh.
But
Who wants scrambled eggs?
Anybody?
See, it's done. Well, it almost worked. Fuck.